Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the KS Tools Professional Tool Belt. This tool belt is your ultimate companion for tackling any job. With its multifunctional design featuring numerous pockets and holders, you can keep your tools and accessories organized and within reach. No more scrambling around for that hammer or tape measure. Made from tear-resistant polyester webbing, this KS Tools is built to last in even the toughest environments. Plus, it adjusts effortlessly up to 120 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. And let's not forget the padded belt for maximum comfort during those long work days. With dedicated holders for your hammer, a rust-free metal hook, and a convenient mobile phone case, this belt is designed for efficiency and ease. Whether you're a carpenter, plumber, or general contractor, this tool belt is a game changer.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.